In this video, we will learn about how to implement in-app update in our Flutter application. So let's get started. So firstly, we will open our Chrome browser and here we will search in-app update Flutter package. So click on this first link and this is the package that we are going to use. So go to installing and copy this command. Then open your Android Studio and open the terminal and paste it here and then click enter. So after installing the package, inside the pubspec.yml file, you can see here that our package got added in the file. Now inside our home screen, we will write this function check for update, which will help us to check for the update from the Play Store. And when there will be update available, then we have to call the update function. And the update function is this one. So inside this update, we will write these two lines, which will help us to show the update dialog inside our app. And we have to call this check for update function inside our init state method. Okay. So inside the init state method, we have called the check for update function here. And this init state, you will use it when you have the stateful widget. So my this home screen, which is the attendance screen file, it is a stateful widget class. So your update dialog will be shown to your app if your app is registered on Play Store. Otherwise, it will not show. So if your app is on the Play Store, then you have to go to the pubspec.yml file and here you have to update the version to +1. Okay. Suppose here it is +7, then I will update it to +8. Okay. And then I will click on this pubget. Then I will push this update on the Play Store and then the in-app update feature will be shown in our app. If we can see here, then if we click on this app, then it will look something like this. Okay. And here it is showing update. And if you click on it, there it is showing that what's new in this new update. Okay. So this is the basic in-app update feature. So if you find this video helpful, do like this video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.